Hi everyone, today let's learn about flooring tile. So basically in the floor to cover we use the tile. It is because it is easy to clean, easy to maintain and the cost is low. So we'll see some features of the tile. So we have to know some standard sizes, thickness and the types of the tile. So the standard size of the tile is 1 feet by 1 feet and 2 feet by 2 feet. So we used to call it as 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. If you see in bedroom areas and all, we use 1 by 1 tile, and in hall areas and all, we use 2 by 2 tile. See, in hall, we use 2 by 2 because if we use 2 by 2 tiles, we will use less number of tile for the same area, and ultimately the number of joint will be reduced and it looks good. That's why we use 2 by 2 tiles in the entrance and the hall areas. Next, the thickness available are standard thickness are 8 mm thick and 10 mm thick. And we have types. So in types we have ceramic tile and porcelain tile. And you should also know something about the skirting. See, if you take a single room, we have tiles laid in the floor, and throughout the peripheral, in the bottom side of the wall, you have small cut piece of the tile. So that is known as skirting. And let's see what are the tests conducted on tiles. There are many tests conducted on tiles. The most two important tests are water absorption. See, we already learned a lot about the water absorption test, and we all know that tile should not absorb water. And the next one is slip resistant tile. So this slip resistance tile having some values between R9 to R13. Mostly the tile which we use in our hall bedroom will be differ from the tile which we use in the bathroom. That is, in dry areas the tile will be different, that is soft and smooth. In wet areas it will be little bit rough. That is because of the slip resistance. In wet area the slip resistance should be more. That's why we'll use a little bit rough tile. Okay. So we have the values from 9 to 13. So in dry areas, we use the tile of R9, R10, and for the wet areas, we use the slip resistance value, that is R11, 12, and 13. So this is all about floor tiles and skirting. And in some areas, what we'll do, we'll have tiles in wall also, like in bathroom, kitchens, and in front of the house. So at that time, we have to use some additional material that is called tile accessories. So the additional thing which will be used for the wall tile is tile adhesive, that it will be like a paste. If you want to place the tile in the wall, we have to use the tile adhesive. And rather than that, we have other tile accessories also, that is called a spacer, grout, and tile trim. Okay. So the first image shows the tile trim. So this metal portion, this is known as tile trim. So where we use is, if there is a joint between two tiles, this is tile 1 and tile 2. So this joint should be smooth. So in this case, we can use a tile trim. So this will be mostly used in bathrooms, and it can be also used in the skirtings. And the next one is tile spacer. So it will be in plus shape. It will be of 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm. So to maintain the equal spacing between the tiles, what we'll do, between 4 tiles we will have a spacer, and it will be repeating in all the tiles. So we'll have a spacer, for example, of 3 mm. Then what we'll do, in this remaining 4 gaps, we will pour the tile grout. So these are the accessories: tile trim, tile spacer, and in this we will do the grouting. Okay. So this is all about the tile. So tile, we should know what is meant by flooring tile, skirting, and the wall tile. And you have to know what are the standard sizes: 1 by 1, 2 by 2 thickness. It is 8 mm, 10 mm. And types, we have porcelain tile, we have ceramic tile, and the tile accessories like tile trim, spacer, grout. If you are using wall tile, we have to use tile adhesive. And the test done is water absorption and slip resistance test. And in some area, we will also go for the granite and marble. So where we use granite is, we can use granite in the kitchen areas so that we can keep the kitchen area very clean. And we can also use granite in the staircase portion. And marble can be used. Marble is a limestone, so it makes the area cool. So if you are in a very hot place, we can go for marble. Okay. So this is all about tile. That's all for today. Thank you.